Hey, good day to all of you. My name is Blair and welcome to another OS. Today we gotta take a look into Pop OS before they shifted to the Cosmic desktop environment. Well, they still using right now the Pop OS Gnome based Ubuntu desktop environment. So let's check it out. So right now we are in our desktop environment, which is the Pop OS based on Gnome Ubuntu desktop environment and operating system and kernel. So anyway, they haven't changed ever since like 2 years ago until now, and they are trying to move to their desktop environment, which is the Cosmic desktop environment that was planned way back then. So right now we are into their desktop. So as you can see, it is still the same. We have the workspace and application right here at the top left corner. We have the center, we have time and date, we have the notification area right here on the topmost right, and the dock we have the show application workspace, and of course the show application, which is the same with the Mac OS. So because they are cousins, so almost the same. And when I click the show application, we have all those stuff right here from the preload or pre-installed software. And for their office, we still have the LibreOffice, the system. We still have the disk usage analyzer, password and keys, stat, language, startup, advanced network, and system monitor. In the utilities, we have the archive manager, the character maps, scanner, viewer, Eddy, which is the installer for the deb file. We have also the extension, the Gnome extension, fonts, help, image viewer, popsicle, USB, flash, show apps and show launcher, show workspace, text info, and video player. And we also have to create a folder at the same time right here. So on the bottom we have the dock. The dock consists with the quick up launch, which is our Firefox, file manager, terminal, pop shop, installer, which is I haven't installed this one, in our virtual memory only or in our virtual box right now, and the settings. So let's try to look into the pop shop. So in the pop shop we have the categories right here in the bottom. We have accessories, audio, communication, development, education, finance, fun and games, graphics, internet, math, science and engineering, media production, office, privacy and security system, universal access, videos, and writing and language. They also have the pop picked, which is the editor's picked, so you can see which is what you will be like referred to. For example, for me, because I'm using the VirtualBox most of the time, so it shows me the virtual machine manager. And at the same time, we have the Steam and the tiling of the Gnome. So let's try to see what's inside the production. So in the production, we have the camera for the webcam. So we also have the video editor right here, the nonlinear editor. We have also the Olive, OpenShot, PTV. I think we have where is that? Maybe I haven't seen it. How about the Caden Live? Somewhere else. Okay, somewhere else. We have the audio mixer, And of course we have the, where is that, shortcut, and where is the, oh yeah, there it is, the OBS. All right, so let's try to see where is the, I think it is on video, the Caden Live. I haven't seen it yet. We also have, for the video, we have the handbrake for the decoder. It will change into different types of file conversion. We have simple screen recorder. Okay, let's try to see the Caden Live. Okay, there it is, Caden Live. So the Caden Live is also here for your non-linear editor. So this is their, I think their last, based on the Gnome. So let me see. Okay, how about, so nothing changed. It's still using the Gnome version 42.9. So the windowing is still Gnome X11. So yes, it is still on the 2022 version, but on the version 39 already. So there you have it, our Pop OS Linux. It's still the same. They haven't changed a lot. So let me see. Let's try to see the backgrounds. If they install new ones, no, I think it's still the same. I like this one. Houston. That's Houston. Let me minimize that one. This is Florida. So nothing changed. Oh, okay, I just noticed the atmosphere. Okay, nothing changed. On the notification, we have the power, we have the settings, quick launch. We also have the wired connection for the internet, the tiling. Okay, so there you have it. This is Pop OS before they change into the Cosmic desktop environment. But of course, they already have their Cosmic desktop wallpaper, but it will be changing soon. That is the Pop OS. If you are wondering, we could like move the tile. Yes, we could. We could use the dock right here. Visible, invincible, hide, intelligently hide, primary. No, it's just okay. Let's minimize it like 42. Yeah, that's okay. How about on the left? Intelligently hide or hide visible. Center start. How about in the end? Center. How about appearance right here? Background options. You have options right here if you want to, like if you hit the super key, what's gonna be? Is it the launcher, application, or the workspace? Hotkey corner is off right now. Maximize. Let's view the maximize. Yes, there you have it. So this is their one of their last, actually their last, using the Gnome desktop environment. The advantage of using Linux operating system is to have your privacy, not by snooping by a big tech company getting your search fingerprints, advertise you with a lot of advertisements on your desktop. Even like if you just searching, you don't need to have an account like in Microsoft, that you are forced to log in or create an account just to download some application. We are not spying like in Linux. We just have the freedom to just scroll whatever you want, looking for some official application to download with your apps. So you don't need to have an account in Linux just to look for some application or some sort of editors. So even in Word, which is our LibreOffice or only Office, so you don't need to have an application account for that matter. And we are not searching for anything like just to get your sentiments on this particular application. So that is the advantage using the Linux. And even if you open your operating system, there is no ads flashing into your notification or even some bloat application that you don't need. So that is why Linux is the most trusted and reliable when it comes to privacy, and at the same time just work focused on the software that you are needed to finish your documents, your job, your engineering, or even like scientific. So that is why most of the science professors are using Linux, especially if you are in the government base like the NASA. NASA mostly is using the Fedora or the Red Hat Enterprise Linux, while for the personal use we mostly use the Ubuntu. But Ubuntu is a little bit like sometimes get some statistics on you, so it's up to you. But for me, I'm just using the big Linux, which is based on Brazil, and sometimes I also use the KDE Neon Plasma, and of course I'm also using Pop OS. Okay, so there you have it. That is our Pop OS 22.04 version 38, one of the last of their desktop using the Gnome version 42.9. So let's neo fetch it before we end our... oh, we haven't. So let's install first so that you could see the... So we could see the NeoFetch first before we end our operating system, Pop OS 22.04 version 39. After 2 years, this April they gonna change into the desktop environment. They call it the Cosmic Desktop Environment. So it's gonna be like very interesting, and I have to check out that one when it is available this April. Okay, there you have it. That is there. They're using actually the version 6.6.10 already for the kernel generic Linux. It's still 42.9 or 42.5. Okay, desktop environment. So very interesting, right? So there you have it, our Pop OS 22.04 version 39. So bye for now and see you in the next episode. And remember that science means knowing. That is why science is cool. This is your science teacher, Teacher Blair, saying bye for now. Catch another episode of OS next time. Ciao.